weird noise when I... Let's test the X drive. It was too hard for him. Can I cancel the navigation with my voice? Ugh. Weird noise when I take my foot off the pedal. Around 20 to 25 kph. Do you hear that? Do you know what it is? Strange. Or maybe normal. Please let me know in the comments what this sound is. So the sound only appears when I accelerate from 0 to like 25 kph. Let's go to the drive mode, XPedal. It's not like the one pedal drive of Tesla, but it helps. Woo! What a power! So let's test the X drive. It's like Autopilot. You have this lever over there. You have to pull it 2 times. That will engage the Autopilot. Let's try. So the Autopilot is now engaged at 106 kph maximum speed. I can take my hands off the steering wheel. Let's see what it does. So the Audi, I want to go to the right side. Will he go? No, he's this is hey. Let's try it again. Through this wheel you can set the maximum speed, so we will put it like 75. Maybe 60, maybe let's go for 80. The distance between me and the car in front of me, it's okay, it's a good distance. He is now braking. What will this car do? Still going. It asked me in this small display to put my hands on the wheel. We will now go to a corner. Will the no, this one was too hard for him. Excuse me. What are you doing? Yeah, the car is comfortable. So the road noise is it's low, it's not so high. I like the gray interior that makes the car more spacious. There is also a panoramic roof like the Tesla Model Y. Guys, it's a copy of the Tesla Model Y. The difference is that there is a small digital instrument over here, but it's minimalistic like the Tesla Model Y. Even a button to open the door like the Tesla. So this car has a LFP battery of 87 kilowatts. From 0 to 100, this one is faster than the long range dual motor of my Tesla. So this one goes from 0 to 100 kph in 4 seconds with a top speed of 200 kilometers. So the trunk has a capacity of 571 kilograms. And when you fold down the second row, you will get 1,374 liters. The DC charging speed of this is faster than the Tesla Model Y. This one charged from 10 to 80% in 20 minutes. That's fast, with a maximum speed of 280 kilowatts. And AC is standard 11 kilowatts. So there is a vehicle to load option. So that's nice, with a maximum output of 3.3 kilowatts. So you can use your espresso machine to get some good coffee. There is also a heating pump, so you can set the temperature from your phone when it's cold. So this is the all-wheel drive. In the Netherlands it starts at 51,990 euros. There is also a standard range rear-wheel drive and a rear-wheel drive long range. And the rear-wheel drive long range has the same battery capacity as the all-wheel drive version. 2 wireless phone chargers with a ventilation over there. So there is no glove box in this car. You have to use this space, this compartment, and a space over there. Some cup holders. Yeah, guys, it's a minimalistic car, and I don't know why you should buy this car instead of the Tesla. So the connectivity in this car, there is a 4G connection. You can also put a Wi-Fi. You can use your phone as a hotspot. And even use the car as a hotspot. So XPeng even copy this screen with this bar. When you accelerate, it turns red, and when you take your foot off the pedal, you see the bar will be green. So I don't know if there is a possibility to turn off the ventilation of the phone charger, because when I put my hand over here, it feels very cold. So, and this is normally how I drive, but yeah, it's very cold over there. So I have to put my hands over there, or better, put my both hands on the steering wheel. So the seats are also ventilated, guys. So only in the front, so not in the back. There are 3 levels. This is the maximum, the middle one, the lowest, and this is how you turn it off. Yeah, I like this. All right, let's go. There are also shortcuts. Also a nice feature. Let's try the autopilot here. Double tap. Be careful and hold the steering wheel. Come on, guys. The XPilot, now it's engaged again. I have to put the maximum speed to 60 to 80. All right, it's now engaged. I don't know. I want to trust this system. Oh, nah. Nope. The reaction speed of this car is a little bit low. I mean, the autopilot was engaged, and the car in front of me braked. So, but this car was still going. I don't know. I don't know about the XPilot. Can I cancel the navigation with my voice? Let's try.
Hello.
Hi, can you turn off the navigation?
Navigation exited.
Nice.
Hi.
Can you turn on the heat?
AC is on. Hey there.
I want the temperature at 21 degrees.
Front row temperature is set to the highest level. Hey.
I mean 21 Celsius. No?
Hi.
It's now getting hot in the car. It's 32 Celsius. Can you put the heat down?
I'm listening.
Is it my English that you don't understand what I want? I guess so. Damn. So the car feels very solid in the corners. It's very tight. Military training. Nice. Let's test the brake. There is a speed bump in front of us. Yeah, works good. Hello, birds. What a nice place, guys. Ah, you see that stadium over there? Over there? That's Feyenoord, the stadium of Feyenoord. The name of the stadium is the Kuip. It's the one of the greatest football teams in the Netherlands. So let's test the rear view cameras and park next to the river. So you can not change the position of the car on the screen. So this is what you see. That sound again, guys. I really want to know what that sound is. Ah, so the car is now transparent, so you can see where you go. Up. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I want to know what your thoughts are about this car. Please let me know in the comments. Subscribe and like, and I see you on the next video. Ciao.